How's it going, everybody? Today we're working on a 2011 Chevrolet Aveo, and this one has this common issue with the inner door handle breaking off. So good thing about these is you do not have to take off the whole door panel. This little beauty trim piece pops out and you can unscrew the door handle, and I'll show you here on the new ones. Gonna have one clip up top, one clip on the bottom, and this little clip that kind of just slides in. But it's pretty easy process. And then there's just one Phillips head screw right there that you have to unscrew. So let's get into it. All right, so what you're gonna do is carefully slide this in here. Make sure not to scratch any of your door panel. You can add a little piece of electrical tape, whatever you may need. And then you're just gonna kind of work your way in to pop that clip down. And then it'll just kind of pop out. Pull this forward, slide it right out. And then here, you'll see the Phillips head screw that we need to remove, which is super easy. All right, now that we got the Phillips head screw out, there are two little clips here. You don't want to start pulling on this and you'll break it. Just slide it over and then it'll pop out. Okay, now once you got that kind of popped off, you're gonna notice that it's still being held in by a little rod right back here. So what you're gonna do is just pop that rod out with like a Phillips head, and that rod will come straight out. Okay, so you can see on this one, I just pushed it further back to snap it off and then lifted this little rod with my screwdriver and it popped right out. And then you'll need to transfer that over to your new door handle. All right, so I just looked and this one actually does have it. Didn't see it at first, but that's good. So you're just gonna reverse the removal to install it. All right, so that can be a little tricky. You can kind of see it in there, but I had to kind of pull it out a little bit, put my fingers behind here, kind of use this one to push it around, and then one to kind of push the rod down. But now that it's in, you can go ahead and get it into place, slide it to the right, into those little grooves, get that hole lined up, and finish up the install. All right, and that's installed. This one is kind of a cheap one. It's got a little bit of gap here. See if you can zoom in there. Probably needs to come in just a little bit just to line it up. But like I said, this was a $12 kit from Amazon. Nothing crazy, but it functions. So I hope this helps.